So I'm here at the Trustile booth. This is a Marvin brand of a nice higher end door. They do some nice wood entry door systems as well as a much nicer interior door style. So they have a wide range of options for panel systems and whatnot, but just a great prime door. Very good quality compared to some of the more stock options. So we recently used this a project that we'll be featuring in the Parade of Homes this fall, and we're really satisfied with the quality of these doors and look forward to incorporating them into more projects in the future. Tell me about some of your slabs and your flooring.
So we've accumulated about 800 to 1,000 slabs now. They're all kiln dried, flattened, and sanded.
Nice.
So we have those available.
That one's beautiful.
The flooring, yeah, the flooring is all made to order.
Okay.
So it's custom, run whatever width you want, whatever grade. Get a lot of character grade these days. That's kind of popular. Just do any species.
So is it all coming in the plywood core, or is there any of that pine core?
Oh no, no. The pine core kind of started when we were having some trouble getting Russian plywood, because all this is multi-arch. So
okay.
Some of the mills started doing 3-ply with pine core, but pretty much come back to the Baltic.
Okay, yeah, that's nice. What can we expect for roughly square foot?
There's a wide range depending on the species, the width, the quantity, but
is it
10 to 16?
Okay, so 10 being on the character grade.
Yeah.
Okay.
Much, yeah.
And mid grade.
Yeah, and length.
Is that landed?
Well, yeah, we deliver everything ourselves.
Okay, so in that, all right.
So yeah, it really has to do with your width, your length spec. You can get 1 to 7. You can get like a 3 to 12.
Wow.
Lots of varying specs that can kind of fit your budget.
Right.
Yeah. In the solid hardwood, we have everything, from your like $450 range up to like $20 range. So it's a lot of different options.
Right. And how are you managing a solid hardwood 7 inches wide?
Everything 5 inches and above gets glued or glue assist and nailed.
Yeah.
That's NWFA recommendation.
Okay.
It all depends on the job. I wouldn't say you want 11-inch flooring over radiant heat or in high humidity areas, but you can certainly do it engineered. Keep it more stable.
Yeah, I love the engineered.
But yeah, even there's a floor for everybody, for every budget, every scenario.
Yeah, okay. And your ability to cut custom knives to make custom moldings and speed things up is beautiful.
Sample. So you give us a sample, we'll reproduce a approval drawing like this.
Yeah.
From the approval drawing, you say it's okay, we grind a custom knife, that's that profile there. That's how, and then reproduce to match your sample.
That's awesome.
That's it. Yeah, sweet.
And then you keep that knife on hand if you ever want to order that molding again.
Yeah, exactly. It's cataloged. Now we have about 1,300 casing profiles, about 1,100 crown moldings.
So is that how you've continued to build your knife and catalog?
20 years and running, yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, on our most recent project, you guys cut what was a 3-piece and added 1, and just a lot cleaner, quicker to install.
Exactly.
Yeah,
we have a lot of that type like this. This is pretty popular Craftsman style, where
I like that.
It's generally a parting bead, flat stock, band molding, bullnose and a Scotia.
All in one.
We combined it all into one. You get the same exact look. Minor
the speed and the quality of all the.
You're shaving off an hour a door.
Easy, and the minimizing movement because it's out of one. Yeah, well now the guys are spoiled because they see the quality millwork and looks like, and when it comes in, we've been loving it. I think they really want to get away from like all the stock Roscoe stuff because especially on the last two, we're like that was priced like I don't know why we would do anything different.
Yeah. Are you guys seeing a lot of nickel gap paneling still? I know when I was up at your showroom, you were putting up a bunch.
Yeah, we do have some. We haven't installed any in a while, but yeah, you're making that too.
Yeah, we make a lot. a lot of paneling, a lot of siding too. If you ever need custom nickel gap, anything pine, cedar.
Yeah.
We do a lot of alternatives. Hemlock, cypress, because cedar has gone up so much in price. We found a lot of alternatives.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.